more than 1,500 years ago. In the year 559 AD, an astonishing tale marked its place in Chinese history. Yuan Huangtao, a prisoner under Emperor Wen Xuan, is said to have soared over 1.5 miles using a rudimentary owl-shaped kite strapped to his back and launched from a towering structure. Though tinged with myth, this story reflects the ancient Chinese aspiration to conquer the skies, a burning ambition that persists to this day. From humble beginnings, China's aviation industry has risen to become a formidable force, aiming to overtake the United States and claim the title of the world's largest aviation market. Today, China's aviation sector is growing at a breathtaking pace, reshaping the global landscape of the industry, with revenues reaching $153 billion in the year 2024. This sector has become a vital economic engine. This scale not only highlights the vastness of a nation with 1.4 billion people, but also showcases its remarkable ability to organize and invest in infrastructure and technology. This surge is not just a matter of numbers. China is laying the groundwork to lead the global aviation industry, with innovations that demand attention from giants like Boeing and American Airlines. An annual growth rate of 10.5% underscores the allure of this market, as millions of citizens increasingly embrace air travel as a common mode of transportation. China's major airlines are expanding their fleets at an unprecedented rate, transforming the nation into an aviation hub that cannot be overlooked. China's ambitions extend far beyond meeting domestic demand. With remarkable strides, the country is poised to shape the future of global aviation. Join Top 10 Discoveries Official as we explore China's bold vision. From the tale of Yuan Huangtao to the modern aircraft of today, as China writes a new chapter filled with ambition and potential for the future of the global aviation industry. China, with a population exceeding 1.4 billion people, is experiencing an unprecedented surge in demand for air travel. The country's domestic market is not only vast in scale, but also the primary force driving the aviation industry's remarkable growth, transforming China into a vibrant aviation hub. In the year 2024, more than 1.2 million domestic flights were operated, connecting cities from bustling Beijing to rapidly developing regions like Chengdu and Kunming. This figure reflects the strength of a market that accounts for 91% of the country's total aviation capacity. This growth is fueled by an expanding middle class, with millions of citizens increasingly viewing air travel as a convenient and common mode of transportation. Notably, during the recent Lunar New Year holiday, over 80 million domestic flight trips were recorded, equivalent to double the number of domestic flights in the United States during the same period. These numbers not only highlight the enormous demand for travel, but also demonstrate the Chinese aviation industry's exceptional ability to organize and meet this demand. From major airlines to a network of modern airports, major urban centers like Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen serve as key hubs, with domestic routes operating continuously to cater to both business and leisure travel. For instance, the Beijing-Shanghai route, one of the busiest in the world, sees dozens of flights daily. This creates a dense aviation network that supports economic growth and cultural connectivity across the nation. The success of China's domestic market lies not only in its scale, but also in its growth rate and capacity to meet demand. With 91% of aviation capacity focused on domestic flights, China is building a solid foundation to develop its own airlines and aircraft manufacturers. This market is not just a playground for giants like China Southern and Air China, but also a launchpad for greater ambitions, propelling China's aviation industry onto the global stage. China is reshaping the aviation industry through a state-of-the-art airport network, constructed at an unprecedented speed and scale, with an ambitious plan to build 136 new airports from the year 2015 to the year 2025. The nation has operationalized over 270 airports by the end of the year 2024, with total investments exceeding $200 billion. These infrastructure projects not only meet the travel demands of millions of citizens, but also solidify China's position as a global aviation hub, standing shoulder to shoulder with leading nations. One standout project is the Dalian Zhengzhou Bay Airport in northeast China. With a capacity to serve 40 million passengers annually, this airport integrates cutting-edge technologies like facial recognition and automated security screening. delivering a seamless travel experience. Similarly, the Fushan Guoming Airport in Guangzhou, set for completion in the year 2027, will become the second major hub in China's most dynamic economic region, supporting tens of millions of passengers each year. Additionally, the city of Suzhou, with a population of 10 million, is preparing to welcome its first airport in the year 2026, opening new connectivity opportunities for one of the nation's fastest-growing urban centers. Compared to the United States, which has approximately 500 commercial airports, China stands out for its rapid construction and modernization efforts. Many new airports feature smart technologies, from automated passenger management systems to energy-efficient terminals, setting them apart from facilities like Chicago O'Hare or Los Angeles. These massive investments not only address domestic needs, but also transform Chinese airports into international gateways, attracting global airlines. China's airport network is a testament to its long-term vision and remarkable execution capabilities. By combining scale, technology, and innovative design, the country is building a world-leading aviation infrastructure system, poised to support the industry's growth for decades to come. With a modern airport network spanning the nation and soaring demand for domestic air travel, China is poised to assert its aircraft manufacturing capabilities on the global stage. The Comac C919, a narrow-body jet designed to directly compete with the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320, has become a symbol of the country's ambition for technological self-reliance. Launched commercially in May 2023 with China Eastern Airlines, the C919 quickly made its mark, with over 20 aircraft delivered by the year 2025. The order backlog has surpassed 1,000 units, coming from major carriers like Air China, China Southern, and even Gallop Air from Brunei, demonstrating the aircraft's appeal beyond the domestic market. What sets the C919 apart is its competitive price, approximately $50 million per unit, nearly half the cost of a Boeing 737 or Airbus A320, which range from $110 to $120 million. With a seating capacity of 158 to 192 passengers and a range of 2,530 to 3,450 miles. The C919 is optimized for busy domestic routes like Beijing, Shanghai, or Guangzhou, Shenzhen. Its design combines high performance with low operating costs, offering significant advantages for airlines seeking to maximize profits. The seating configuration is flexible, accommodating everything from economy to business class, meeting diverse passenger needs. The Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, or Comac, is ramping up production to meet growing demand. Their goal is to achieve an output of 75 aircraft per year by 2025, before scaling to 200 aircraft annually by 2029. These figures not only reflect a commitment to building a robust domestic aviation industry, but also demonstrate the ability to compete with global rivals. The C919's commercial flights have operated reliably, logging tens of thousands of safe flight hours, affirming the aircraft's dependability. The C919 is more than just a technological product. It is a bold statement of China's capabilities in the aviation industry. With its affordable price, modern design, and ambitious production plans, the C919 is paving the way for a new era where Asian and even international airlines have a competitive alternative. The success of the C919 is a testament to China's ability to turn vision into reality, bringing the nation closer to a leading position in global aircraft manufacturing. The success of the Comac C919 has laid a strong foundation for China's domestic aircraft manufacturing industry. But the nation's ambitions extend far beyond domestic routes. The Comac C929, a wide-body jet designed to compete directly with the Airbus A330neo and Boeing 787, is a testament to China's aspiration to dominate international long-haul routes. With a seating capacity ranging from 250 to 320 passengers and a range of up to 7,460 miles, the C929 is built to serve long-distance routes, connecting major Asian cities like Beijing and Shanghai with global hubs such as Los Angeles, London, and Sydney. This represents a strategic leap, positioning China as a formidable competitor in the long-haul aviation market, far beyond its massive domestic landscape. The C929 project is backed by substantial investment, estimated at $15 billion. Reflecting China's commitment to building a comprehensive aviation industry, the aircraft features 3 variants, with the -600 model, offering 280 seats in a range of 7,460 miles. Positioned as a direct rival to the Boeing 787-9, designed for optimized fuel efficiency, the C929 not only reduces operating costs but also provides a spacious cabin equipped with modern amenities, including touchscreen entertainment systems, adjustable seating configurations, and customizable LED lighting to enhance the passenger experience. These features align with international standards, making the C929 an attractive option for airlines looking to expand their long-haul networks. In November 2024, Air China, one of the world's largest airlines with a fleet exceeding 400 aircraft, placed the first order for the C929, marking a significant milestone. Comac is accelerating development, aiming to unveil a prototype by 2029 and commence deliveries by 2030. To achieve this, the company has invested in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Shanghai, featuring automated assembly lines equipped with advanced technology. Comac's production plan targets dozens of aircraft annually by the early 2030s, meeting the growing demand from Asian airlines and other regions. The C929 is not merely a technological product, but a symbol of China's long-term vision to shape the future of aviation. The aircraft is expected to offer a competitive price, providing significant cost advantages for airlines seeking to optimize expenses. Its design emphasizes sustainability, reducing emissions through lightweight composite materials and advanced aerodynamic systems. The emergence of the C929 is a bold declaration from China. They aim not only to lead the domestic market, but also to challenge giants like Boeing and Airbus on the global stage. With substantial investment, modern design, and a strategic market expansion plan, the C929 is laying the groundwork for a new era in aviation, where China could emerge as a leading hub for long-haul aircraft manufacturing. While the Comac C919 and C929 are positioning China as a formidable player in aircraft manufacturing, a greater challenge is being tackled: developing domestic aviation engines to reduce reliance on foreign technology. Through the Aero Engine Corporation of China, Aviation, China is investing heavily in 2 advanced engine projects, the CJ1000A and CJ2000, to power aircraft like the C919 and C929. With an estimated research and development cost of $10 billion. This journey toward technological self-reliance is not only a technical leap, but also a symbol of China's ambition to lead the global aviation industry. The CJ1000A, designed for the C919, is an advanced jet engine with a thrust of up to 25,000 pounds, capable of competing with Western engines like the CFM LEAP 1B used in the Boeing 737. This engine completed critical tests in the year 2024, including durability and performance evaluations under harsh conditions. AECC plans to integrate the CJ1000A into C919 test flights by the end of 2025, aiming for safety certification by 2027. Once operational, the CJ1000A will save Chinese airlines millions of dollars in maintenance and spare parts costs while enhancing the independence of the domestic fleet. Meanwhile, the CJ2000 is being developed specifically for the C929, with a thrust ranging from 77,000 to 88,000 pounds. Comparable to engines powering the Boeing 787 or Airbus A350, this project began testing in 2023, with initial trials demonstrating performance, exceeding expectations in fuel efficiency and emissions reduction. AECC targets certification for the CJ2000 by 2030, in time to equip the first C929 deliveries. The engine incorporates advanced composite materials and modern cooling technology, improving durability and efficiency for long-haul flights. AECC has established research centers in Beijing and Shanghai, employing thousands of engineers and leveraging cutting-edge simulation technology to optimize engine design. China's $10 billion investment in this sector surpasses the research and development budgets of many Western engine manufacturers, underscoring its determination to achieve self-reliance. Additionally, these domestic engines are designed to meet international safety and environmental standards, opening opportunities for export to markets like Southeast Asia and the Middle East. China's pursuit of domestic engine development is not just a technical endeavor, but a strategic step to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. The success of the CJ1000A and CJ2000 will provide Comac with a competitive edge, enabling airlines to save costs and enhance reliability. More importantly, these engines are a testament to China's innovation capabilities, bringing the nation closer to a leading position in the global aviation industry. The BeiDou system, completed in its third phase in the year 2020, stands as a testament to China's innovation in developing an independent navigation solution that directly competes with the United States GPS. With an accuracy of 3.3 feet, BeiDou surpasses GPS, which achieves an accuracy of about 16 feet, providing a significant advantage for aviation and related industries. This system is reshaping how aircraft and airports operate worldwide. Positioning China at the forefront of navigation technology, BeiDou currently operates 35 satellites, outnumbering the 31 satellites of GPS, and offers global coverage to over 200 countries. In aviation, the system is integrated into aircraft like the Comac C919, enabling precise navigation on both domestic and international routes. At major airports such as Beijing, Daxing, and Shanghai Pudong, BeiDou optimizes air traffic management, reducing wait times and enhancing safety. The technology leverages advanced satellite signals to deliver real-time positioning data, allowing pilots and air traffic controllers to make faster and more accurate decisions. The development of BeiDou extends beyond aviation. The system supports applications such as flight route planning, fleet management, and even passenger tracking at smart airports. For example, at Dalian-Jinzhou Airport, BeiDou-based navigation devices automate security checks and guide passengers, improving operational efficiency. With its ability to provide high accuracy in adverse weather or crowded areas, BeiDou is becoming the preferred choice for Asian airlines and countries seeking alternatives to GPS. Compared to the United States, where GPS has dominated for decades, BeiDou offers a competitive edge through rapid deployment and integration capabilities. China has invested over $9 billion in the system, with research centers in Chengdu and Xi'an, where thousands of engineers develop advanced navigation algorithms. BeiDou also adheres to international standards, ensuring compatibility with global air traffic management systems. This opens opportunities for international airlines to integrate BeiDou into their operations. Particularly in regions with weak GPS signals, the success of BeiDou lies not only in its technology, but also in its global impact. Serving over 200 countries and territories, the system is becoming an essential part of modern aviation infrastructure. China has established ground stations in more than 20 countries to support BeiDou signals, enhancing reliability and expanding its applications. From aircraft navigation to smart airport management, BeiDou demonstrates China's ability to lead in navigation technology, offering a robust alternative to GPS and shaping the future of global aviation. With a powerful combination of a massive domestic market, cutting-edge airport infrastructure, advanced domestically produced aircraft, and self-developed engines, China is building a comprehensive aviation ecosystem poised to shape the future of the global aviation industry. Forecasts from Airbus indicate that China will require 9,520 new aircraft by the year 2043, valued at $1.3 trillion, accounting for 18% of global demand. This figure not only reflects the scale of China's domestic market, but also underscores its potential to lead the world's aviation industry. This progress is spearheaded by the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China Comac, with products like the C919 and C929 drawing attention from international airlines. Beyond the domestic market, Comac has secured agreements with carriers such as Vietjet Air of Vietnam, Lao Airlines, and is even in negotiations with Middle Eastern airlines like Saudi Arabian Airlines. These contracts highlight the C919's growing appeal in emerging markets. By the year 2025, over 1,200 orders for Comac aircraft have been recorded from regions outside China, marking a significant step in expanding its global influence. China is also investing heavily in sustainable aviation technologies. Research projects in Beijing and Shanghai are focusing on developing biofuel for aviation and emissions reduction technologies, aiming to cut carbon emissions from the domestic fleet by 20% by 2035. These efforts not only enable China to meet international environmental standards, but also provide a competitive edge over markets like the United States, where sustainable initiatives are still in development. Additionally, China's smart airports, integrating artificial intelligence and data from the BeiDou system, are setting new benchmarks for passenger management and air traffic operations. China's vision extends beyond becoming the largest aviation market. It aims to be the epicenter of industry innovation. With Comac's ambitious projects, upcoming domestically developed engines, a cutting-edge airport network, and the BeiDou navigation system, China is crafting a future where it could lead global aviation. The world's aviation industry is witnessing a new chapter, and China is advancing rapidly with this pace of innovation. What are your thoughts on China's progress? How might the United States strategize to maintain its position in aviation amidst China's rapid advancements? Share your insights in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest analyses of technology, national strategies, and groundbreaking innovations shaping the future. Top 10 Discoveries Official will return with untold stories, projects that push boundaries, and quiet revolutions with global impact. See you in the next video.